Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix lag on Path of Exile 2. It's very easy to do, so try not to skip any steps. Okay, I'm going to put the link to the Google Drive here, but this will come up. You just click on all of these, hit download. It's going to zip the files and then it's going to download them. So after it's done, it's going to be in your download directory. It's going to look something like this. And so all you do is you double click on this and click the POE2 X3D Fix.exe. And this is gonna come up. So basically all this does is it waits for you to start Path of Exile 2. And then you start Path of Exile 2 from Steam normally. And it will basically auto modify your PC to use the optimal amount of cores to reduce lag in Path of Exile 2. And that is it. That's all you need to do.